G'day and welcome to the PAMMO Elements with Jenny Brandis. This video shows a slip knot from month 6. The slip or barrel knot is commonly used with leather thonging, but in this case I am using ribbon cording. As you can see, the cord complements the lace and allows for length adjustment. We have the pendant on one end of the cord with the loop made by the slip knot on the other end. This is a slip knot forming the loop which the pendant goes through. We have the pendant and the loop which can be adjusted by holding the knot and applying tension on the cord. Now to show you how to apply the necklace. In this demo, the ball of thread represents your head. Place the cord over your head with the pendant on one side and the loop on the other. Slip the pendant through the loop and adjust to fit. To take it off, lift the loop over the pendant to release the necklace. Now to make the slip knot. I started with a 1 metre or 40-inch length of ribbon cord. With the pendant being on one end and a bead stopper on the other end, I will demonstrate with this piece. Lay the bead stopper end down and form a loop about 30 centimetres or 12 inches long. Take your pendant end under the loop and lay it down the centre. That gives us 3 cords to deal with. The bottom bead stopper end is the active cord. Carefully collect all 3 cords between your thumb and forefinger. I am clumsy today, so you don't need to, but I put a biro behind to give me something to hold the cords against. Take the bead stopper under the 2 cords, around and over and back on itself towards your holding hand. That is the first round. I changed holding hands at this stage. Under, around and over. That is 2. Now, under, around and over, that's 3. Under, around and through the loop. Hold the bead stopper cord there. Shorten the loop around the bead stopper cord by pulling on the top loop cord. Keep pulling on the loop cord until it is under the end round. You have your bead end, the loop at the back, and the pendant on the cord. Gently holding the knot, slide out the biro. Using both hands, gently ease the knot rounds tighter together by pulling on the end cord and the left loop cord. You now have your pendant at the front, the big loop at the back, and the short bead stopper as well. To shorten the loop, simply hold the knot and pull on the pendant cord. To lengthen the loop, you pull on this one. That is how a slip or barrel knot is formed.